How to customize Wix template tutorial for beginners. Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we easily customize Wix template. So firstly, of course, we need to select the most suitable one as for us, and to make it easier, Wix provides us the opportunity to interact with their categories. So here we have like business and services, as you can see, with different topics: business, health and wellness, beauty and hair, fashion style, restaurant and food, travel, tourism, one-page websites, and also professional CV. We also have like stores, templates, creative for photographers, designers, musicians, artists, videographers, and portfolio and CV also. And we have like community stuff with education, communities, events, and the last category, blog. So of course we can also create our website from scratch. We can go to blank template to see just simply empty website or just websites with a structure, but you need to know that in order to make it easier, I recommend you to use a template. So let's say that we want to create maybe sports and fitness website. Why not? And firstly, of course, we need to find the most suitable according to its structure. So we have a lot of templates, as you can see, like up to 5 pages, and we can easily click on every single like template. For example, like fitness school, fitness trainer, fitness studio, depends on our like purposes. Let's say we would like to create a fitness studio website. We need to click on view, and after that we need to see how will it look like as for us. Will it be easy as for us to to customize every single element? And I think that this template is pretty cool, and also all the templates on Wix are totally responsive, so we can use them from different devices, as you can see, from phone, from laptop, from PC. So it's pretty cool that Wix provides us the opportunity to use this thing. So if you decided to use this template, just simply click on edit this site in the right top, and after that, in a few seconds, your website will be automatically created. All we need to do is just simply wait until our editor will be opened. On the editor page, we have a couple of options, and you need to see that in the left side menu, we have a menu with different action buttons. Also in the central part, we have our mockup, and in the top of the screen, we also have this work panel where we have really important features. I'll show you it a little bit later. And every single website, it's like created from different pages. In order to manage our structure, we need to click on pages and menu, and here we'll be able to see all the pages from our website. And I don't think that all of them are really important as for me, so I would like to delete firstly classes. Also, I'd like to delete some other stuff, and if you'll delete, for example, stores, booking features, you will also delete like pre-installed apps. So we need to delete book a class page. Also, I'd like to delete program list. I'm going to hide it. Also, I don't need plans. I'm going to hide it, and I'm going to delete this anchor with contact. What we're going to do now is that we can also add like new page in the bottom of the screen: about, services, projects, contact, general, 404, landing page, and so on. Depends on like your purposes. I'm going to use this one here, so I would like to add this page. And also we need to change general things. For example, I'd like to change color palette. So open the 4th icon, click on color palette. I'm going to click on change colors, and I would like to find something suitable as for me. I would like to use this color theme, and also I recommend you to change text theme. It depends on your purposes, on your vision, on your ideas. I always use this one or this one. As for me, these font pack are really good. Also, I want to change page transition to horizontal. And now we are ready to interact with our elements. So every single page on website is created from sections. We have this section here, this section here, this section here, here, and so on. So let's delete the unnecessary one. I would like to delete this one. You need to click on more, and then click on delete. I also want to delete this one here, and I would like to then edit this footer. So of course we can add sections by clicking on add section, and then we can find the most suitable template: welcome, about, team, contact, promotion page, services, subscribe, testimonials, and so on. Also, we can use AI creator. We can just simply describe our section, and after that it will be automatically created by an AI provided by Wix. I think it's pretty cool. And every single section has like a couple of elements inside, and in order to interact with them, we just simply need to click on the necessary element like these, and after that we can see different properties and different actions we can do. We can change text, manage layout, change design, manage animations, where will it link to, and so on. For example, we want to change a text, so we need to click, and then we can delete, for example, and we can write subscribe, for example, like this. Also, we can change like size and change some other stuff. The same thing with text. We can edit text, create AI generated text, add animation, link, and so on. For example, we'd like to change background, so we need to click on change strip background, and let's say we'd like to use this one here. And in a few seconds it will be automatically changed. As you can see, it's really easy to like interact with, it's really easy to understand. Even if I didn't show something in this video, you'll be able to discover it by yourself. And in order to add elements, we need to click on add elements. So here we can add different types of elements: text, images, button, strip, decorative box, gallery, and so on. Huge list of different elements we can add. Also, you need to know that even that Wix so templates are responsive, we can change the structure according to our phone view. So here, for example, we have a couple of hidden on mobiles things. We don't have the column 2, for example, these stuff, column 3, and so on. So we can show them, and after that they will be visible. Also, we can add different elements, and depends on our like purposes and so on. So it's definitely not that easy to build a website for PC and for mobile at the same time, but at least on this page you can manage what will people see from your phone. So yeah, in order to publish our website, we just simply need to click on publish in the right top, and after that our website will be automatically published. We can even click on view site, and as you can see, it's available on the internet. If you want to see more in-depth tutorials, you can find them in this playlist here. And that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye guys.